Cabo San Lucas is a popular vacation destination and it's well known for luxury resorts and amazing beaches. But Cabo really has so much more to offer. Discover the best of Cabo San Lucas beyond beaches. We're here in Los Cabos at the marina and we're taking a stroll along the boardwalk. This is absolutely a place you want to check out if you're in Cabo. Check out the boats and all the shops and plenty of restaurants.
While we were here, we got to experience lots of really great dining experiences. They have everything you can possibly imagine here. They have from 5-star Michelin dining to very cost-effective, low-budget, great dining experiences.
If you're looking for great places to go, you can always chat with some of the locals. It's a great way to mingle, maybe practice your Spanish, even though lots of people here do speak English. But they're quick to give you some suggestions of their favorite restaurants, even what to order, what's really good at certain spots. While you're on vacation in Cabo San Lucas, it's a great place to get dental work done. Whether it's a simple cleaning or you're looking for something more advanced and more expensive like dental implants or crowns, Cabo has you covered.
While we were here in Cabo San Lucas, we went to a dentist. We had a cleaning and a checkup for about $100 US. There's very little waiting for routine checkups and cleanings. Cabo San Lucas is becoming a medical tourism spot. Actually, all of Mexico is very popular for medical tourism.
If you have a lot of dental work that needs to be done, especially expensive procedures like fillings, crowns, or dental implants, you may want to consider getting it done while you're in Mexico. And Cabo San Lucas has tons of dentists and they can get you in real quick.
Come back from vacation and have a white smile and tan skin.
We're here in Cabo San Lucas hiking Mount Salomar. Definitely do it. The views here are amazing. This is probably the best view of the arches you're gonna get. There's only like us and 100 other people, but it's pretty quiet, it's good. And there's all kinds of puppies running around. This morning, we're here at Cabo Pickleball. I mean, this court with this view, pretty amazing.
We're at Cabo Pickleball and I'm about to go and beat Tove a few more times. She's not yet won a game, so maybe I'll go a little easier on her this time and she'll win at least one.
We're here at Cabo Bellow. It's a small little beach just tucked away inside a gated community. Though you're allowed to get access, you just have to check in with the security guards when you arrive. Cabo Bellow Beach is about 8 kilometers from downtown Cabo San Lucas. So it's the perfect little spot if you're looking to escape the crowds of the busy Cabo San Lucas beaches, but still have crystal clear water and some nice white sand. This is a fun local beach that you can snorkel right from the water's edge. So we brought our snorkels today and we're hoping to get out and do a little bit of snorkeling. If you like to snorkel from the beach, this is the perfect beach for you, so don't forget your snorkel gear. There aren't any amenities at this beach, so if you're coming for the day, you may want to pack your cooler, your beach chair, and your umbrella. I really love to cook, so when we were in Cabo San Lucas, I had the chance to go to a Mexican cooking class. It was so much fun. We shopped with the locals and the chef had us in the kitchen preparing all the ingredients. The class was really fun. It was a small group. It was just like me, the chef, and maybe 12 or 14 other people, so it was really intimate. There was lots of time to ask questions and really get your hands in there and get a little bit dirty. While I do spend lots of time looking on the internet, finding recipes, and just figuring it out on my own, it was really fun to have that experience and have someone who really knows Mexican cooking to show you how to do it. And I mean, making tacos and margaritas, you can't really go wrong. One of the coolest parts of the meal is we had prickly pear cactus served as a side dish. I've seen it in the grocery store. I knew it was edible and actually really healthy for you, but I didn't really know how to prepare it. So that was pretty awesome that we got to try that there. I definitely would make that dish at home. At the end of the day, he provided us with the recipes online for all of the dishes that we made in the kitchen that day, plus all of the dishes that they make on their cooking tour. So the place I went, they actually cook something different every day of the week. So you kind of sign up knowing what kind of Mexican food you're gonna make. And I was really shocked but delighted that we got the recipes from the other days, because for me, the hardest part was picking which day to sign up for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure.